OMG, you guys, I have a package. This one is from Wanda, Miss Wanda from A Day in My World. We had a swap. We were swap partners for the gingerbread recipe swap. And this feels more like a gingerbread, my girl. And I can't wait to see what's in here. We had so much fun with that swap, you guys. It was a blast. And okay, I don't want to be careful what I pull out. I don't want to give away any information I'm not supposed to. There we go. And she put extra goodies in here for me. How sweet. I see a card and I see a Christmas. Let's see what she put. Look how yummy. Little sprinkles and donuts. How cute that card is. Aw, thank you, Wanda. I was so happy to get to swap with you. Thank you so much for being my swap partner, and I'm glad you loved what I sent. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I know I'm gonna love what you sent too. Russell Stover, got some chocolates. Can't wait to dig into those. And I love the box. Isn't that funny? Crafters look at the box. That is what's in here, right? Yeah, it's glued shut. I'm like, this is chocolate, right? It's candy? Thank you so much. You know I've got a sweet tooth. Oh, look, she made a, she got the stocking and then she put the little Santa from the Dollar Tree on there. How cute. He is a little Santa gnome. I love him. Thank you. And she put some candy. Girl, ooh, my favorite. This is one of my favorite candies right here. If anybody wants to know, that's my favorite. My kids know that about me. I love that. Hershey Nuggets. Yum, yum, yum. And what are these? Party Pals. Super cute bag. Are they wrapped up chocolates too? Oh, Palmer. You better believe those are probably, yep, milk chocolate. Thank you so much. These are going to be enjoyed. For sure. I'll put those back in there in a minute. And I can't wait. This must be the gingerbread. She made such a cute little gingerbread. Yes, it is. There she is in all her little glory. Look how cute she is. She's got her bling. It's an Ortiz original. And she is all blinged out in her yellow. I showed my daughter and she goes, Mom, she looks more like a dancer, which I thought was really cute with her makeup and her hair done up and her skirt. It's like, yeah, she does, doesn't she? She's super cute. She decorated her all up with all the fun bling, and she's going to be in my kitchen. And then she put the recipe on the back, all the things that I need to make the mini apple pies with. And I think I have a mini apple pie pan, actually, so this would be a great recipe to have. And then she put all the directions on the back of this one. So thank you so much, Wanda, for sending this over and for being my swap partner. She's super cute, and she will be displayed in my kitchen. So thank you so, so much. You did a great job. So anyway, that is the swap for the gingers, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all once again. Check out Wanda's channel. I'm going to put her in the description box so you can go check out her channel and show her some crafty love. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great night. Bye-bye.